Okay guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to program a VGT actuator on a Cummins ISV 6.7. So the first step would be to load up your software. I'm using JPro right now. I'm gonna reload it so you guys can see. Okay, alright, so we're gonna go here and just load it up. Just click on it and load it up. Might take a while, but it's okay. Press OK. Then you're gonna press on connect and heavy duty. Let that load up for a little. I already removed the old VGT. All right, you're gonna let that load up. We have a bunch of codes here. But anyways, let's go outside. So what you're gonna do is, this is the old one. It's the old VGT, as you can see. So you're gonna take this out, which is gonna be on the side of the turbocharger. You're gonna make sure that this shaft is moving freely. And you're gonna line it up. That's it. That's the install position, not here. Push this in here, push it to the back. Try to move it around, it won't move. That's the install position. This is the new one. You're just gonna plug it in. Make sure the gasket is in there. You're gonna let that sit right there while the software is loading. Now we're gonna head back up to the computer. All right, everything is loaded. VGT software. Out of calibration, click on bidirectional, scroll down. VGT install, start. Let that load up. Now you're gonna click on install if it's not already highlighted, and you're gonna press start. It should make sure you read this first, but press yes. It should see what it says right there. Actuator install complete successfully. The VGT can now be physically installed on the turbocharger. So now we're gonna install the VGT on the turbocharger. Like so. Make sure that's in there, just like that. Install your screws. And you don't have to tighten the screws, you can just mount the actuator on. So just mount the actuator on. Two more for the top. I like to just mount it on, snug the screws in. Just snug it in there a little. Okay, Now we're gonna head back in there. And we're gonna calibrate it now. Calibrate. Read that. We already did all of that. See what it says. The VGT actuator must be mounted to the turbocharger for the calibration. Do not. You know? Perfect. That's good. Now press yes. Bam. If everything is right, it should be successful. If not, then we have a problem. Actuator calibration completed successfully. That's it, guys. Just press exit. Code should go inactive. See? Inactive, as you can see. Inactive. Now you're just gonna clear all the codes. Now we have a couple codes left, but these codes are for like some sensors I have unplugged, and also for the coolant level is low because I had to drain the coolant. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more videos.